Britt, today we've got a beautiful little coastal home right here on the West End.
Absolutely great location. You have less than 20 minutes to the airport and just a short drive to Pier Park and Frank Brown Park.
So close. I can't wait to show everybody.
Let's go. Perfectly sized kitchen with a lot of natural light coming in from the bay windows, and I love the way it flows with a living space. As you can see, the living room flows very nicely with the kitchen. You have got a little Florida room off on one side, and on the other side, you have a formal dining room.
And in this 3-bed, man, this main ensuite is so large with so much great space. I love a split floor plan. 3 beds and 2 bath is perfect.
Heather, I love the size of this yard. For the West End of the beach, it's pretty good.
Absolutely. You got a party pad, you've got a great yard, and you've got an outbuilding for your beach toys or your hobbies. Huh. Well, speaking of beach toys, let's get out of here.
All right.
So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you to look at the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.